Swimming in money, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll be exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, swimming in money. This is a fun and expressive part of the English language that can really add flavor to your conversations. So, let's get started and understand what it means to be swimming in money. The phrase, swimming in money, is a colorful idiom used to describe someone who has a lot of money. Imagine a swimming pool filled not with water, but with cash. That's the literal picture this phrase paints. However, it's important to understand that this is an exaggeration. It's not meant to be taken literally. When someone says they're swimming in money, they're implying they have more money than they need or they are very wealthy. Understanding where an idiom comes from can often help us remember it better. The phrase, swimming in money, likely comes from the imagery of someone being so wealthy they could fill a swimming pool with their money and swim in it. This kind of exaggerated imagery is common in many languages, not just English, to express the idea of abundance or excess. Using swimming in money correctly can add a playful element to your conversations. It's often used in a light-hearted or humorous context. For example, after winning the lottery, she's swimming in money. With his new job, he feels like he's swimming in money. Remember, it's a figurative expression, so it's more suitable for casual conversations and not formal contexts. There are several other idioms in English that convey the same idea. Phrases like rolling in dough, made of money, and filthy rich are all used to talk about someone being very wealthy. Each of these expressions has its own unique flavor but shares the common theme of great wealth. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, swimming in money. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom with confidence. Idioms like this make English a vibrant and expressive language. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add these colorful expressions to your conversations. See you in the next video, and happy learning!